Hey everyone, this is not politics, it's great to have you here. Welcome to our comprehensive ClickUp project management tutorial, where we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this incredible tool. If you're on the hunt for a powerful and versatile tool to manage your projects efficiently, ClickUp is truly a game changer in the world of project management. Whether you're handling a large team or just organizing your personal goals, ClickUp's got you covered with its extensive range of features. So what makes ClickUp so special and worth your attention? It supports multiple project management styles like Agile and Waterfall, making it adaptable to various workflows and methodologies. You can utilize visual tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards, plus lists and calendars to keep everything sorted and on track. One of ClickUp's superpowers is its high level of customization, allowing you to tailor the platform to your specific needs. Custom fields, formulas, task dependencies, you name it, ClickUp can handle it, providing you with the flexibility to manage projects your way. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of using ClickUp. On the plus side, ClickUp is affordable, and once you get past the initial learning curve, it's a breeze to use, making it accessible for everyone. It's loaded with features that can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, as with any robust tool. Some users find the interface a bit overwhelming at first, especially with so many features to explore. And the mobile app? It's still a work in progress as of November 2024, with room for improvement in terms of functionality and user experience. Thinking ClickUp might not be for you? No worries, there are plenty of other options to consider. There are great alternatives out there that might suit your needs better. Asana is fantastic for teams needing detailed project plans and a straightforward interface. Trello shines with its simple Kanban board system, perfect for visual thinkers and smaller projects. And if you're in software development, Jira is your best friend, offering robust tools for tracking and managing complex projects. Each tool has its unique strengths, so think about what fits your needs best and aligns with your team's workflow. If you're on a budget, don't worry. There are plenty of cost-effective solutions available. There are free project management tools that can do the job without breaking the bank. ClickUp offers a robust free plan with unlimited users and tasks, making it an excellent choice for startups and small teams. Monday.com has a free plan for up to 2 users with over 200 templates, providing a great starting point for new projects. These options are perfect for getting started without spending a dime, allowing you to test the waters before committing. So, to wrap it up, let's recap the key points. ClickUp stands out for its versatility and feature-rich environment, even with some interface challenges that may require a bit of patience. I encourage you to explore ClickUp and the alternatives mentioned to find what's best for you and your team. Drop your experiences in the comments and let me know which tool works best for you. Thanks for watching and being part of our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more project management tips and tutorials. Your support means the world to us. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy project managing.